Are you ready to unleash your creative potential with Sora or Veo? Whether you're a designer, filmmaker, or just someone exploring the world of digital artistry, you've probably wondered, which tool is better, Sora or Veo? In today's video, we're diving deep into these two powerhouse software solutions for generating stunning images and mastering video editing. By the end, you'll know exactly which one suits your needs. Let's jump in. Picture this. A single click transforms your imagination into reality. Two tools promise to revolutionize how you create. Sora, a name synonymous with advanced AI-driven design, and Veo, celebrated for its versatility and cinematic precision. But which one truly leads the pack? Stick around to find out. First, let's get to know these contenders. Sora is a cutting-edge software specializing in AI-powered image generation and design. It's known for its ability to create hyper-realistic images, conceptual art, and more, all within seconds. Sora also integrates seamlessly with creative workflows, making it a favorite among digital artists. Veo, on the other hand, is a dual threat. It excels not only at image generation, but also as a robust video editing tool. With advanced rendering capabilities, seamless transitions, and a suite of tools for post-production, Veo is built for those who want to go beyond static visuals and into the world of motion. Sora's image generation features Sora is renowned for its ability to create stunning images from scratch. Using its intuitive text-to-image tool, users can input detailed descriptions and receive high-resolution, lifelike images. Sora also offers style customization. Users can choose from various artistic styles, including photorealism, abstract, and cartoon. Batch generation, the ability to create multiple images simultaneously, saving time for large projects. Scene construction, a feature that allows users to build complex scenes by specifying elements like lighting, perspective, and objects. Example, a marketing team needs a series of product mock-ups for a campaign. Using Sora, they describe their product, e.g., a sleek black smartwatch on a marble table, and receive multiple high-quality images in different settings and styles within minutes. Veo's image generation features. While Veo primarily focuses on video editing, it does include powerful image generation tools. Veo's standout feature is its ability to create images optimized for animation and video integration. Key features include animation-ready designs. Images generated in Veo are pre-optimized for motion graphics and transitions. Layered outputs. Users receive images with editable layers, making it easy to tweak individual elements for animation. Scene-to-image. Veo can extract still images from dynamic scenes, ideal for creating thumbnails or promotional graphics. Example, a filmmaker wants a stylized background for an animated sequence. Veo generates a vibrant cityscape with editable layers, allowing the filmmaker to animate individual elements like moving cars and flickering lights. Sora's video editing capabilities are designed for users who prioritize simplicity and speed. It's an excellent tool for creating polished videos with minimal effort. Let's see what it offers. Automated editing. AI analyzes video footage and suggests cuts, transitions, and effects based on the desired style. Template library. A vast collection of templates for different genres, including vlogs, commercials, and social media content. Integrated image tools. Seamless integration of AI-generated images into video projects. If a content creator uploads raw footage for a travel vlog, Sora's AI automatically edits the clips, adds transitions, and incorporates background music, delivering a ready-to-publish video in under an hour. Veo's video editing features. Veo is a powerhouse for advanced video editing. It's equipped with professional-grade tools for creating cinematic-quality videos. Key features include advanced motion tracking, enables precise tracking of objects for seamless integration of effects and overlays. Dynamic transitions, a library of customizable transitions for creating visually striking cuts between scenes. Special effects suite, tools for adding CGI, particle effects, and color grading. If a filmmaker is editing a sci-fi short film, using Veo, they create a scene with a spaceship flying through a meteor shower. Veo's motion tracking ensures realistic movement, while its special effects suite adds glowing thrusters and debris. Sora prioritizes accessibility with its clean, intuitive interface. It's designed for users with minimal technical expertise, making it ideal for small businesses, social media influencers, and hobbyists. The onboarding process is straightforward, with tutorials and guides to help users get started. Veo, while more complex, offers unmatched customization and control. Its interface caters to experienced professionals who need detailed options and advanced tools. The learning curve is steeper, but the payoff is greater for those who invest the time. Pricing and value. Sora operates on a subscription model with tiered pricing based on usage. Its affordable plans make it accessible to a wide range of users, from freelancers to large organizations. Veo also uses a subscription model, but targets professionals with higher budgets. While its cost is higher, the extensive feature set justifies the investment for serious creators. Which software is more powerful? The answer depends on your specific needs. For image generation, Sora takes the lead with its superior quality and versatility. It's the go-to tool for marketers, designers, and content creators who need high-quality images quickly. For video editing, Veo is the clear winner for professionals requiring advanced editing tools and cinematic effects. It's ideal for filmmakers, animators, and video production studios. For beginners, Sora's simplicity and affordability make it the better choice for those new to image and video creation. For professionals, Veo's robust feature set and customization options cater to experienced users seeking maximum control. Sora and Veo are both exceptional tools, each excelling in different areas. Sora is the champion of image generation and quick video edits, while Veo dominates in advanced video editing and professional production. By understanding your specific requirements and creative goals, you can choose the software that best aligns with your needs and unlock new possibilities in digital content creation.